This right here is literally my third video in the airport filming this program while I wait for, my flight and for it to be time. So this right here is a video. This is lesson 2, right? And lesson 2 is all about the benefits of fruit-based lifestyle, of a fruit-based lifestyle for muscle building. Okay. And I'm just gonna say it to you guys like this. The electrolytes, okay, essential when it comes to bodybuilding, all right? Instant glucose storages, right? Also, you don't have to meal prep, so no macro counting, right? Plus, it's essentially fast food, nature's fast food, and it's cellular hydration, okay? So all of this collectively is good for anybody who's active to any degree. Okay. But if you're bodybuilding, you just want to be fit, you want to put on some muscle, if you want to be in between, like tone up, whatever it is, you can definitely obtain that. Okay. Especially if you're eating a high fruit-based lifestyle. Okay. And just coming back, when it comes to hydration, let's just think about it. First off, you know this from the first lesson, which is that fruits is the best food for human beings. Okay, so but for this video right here, I want you to understand that like all fruits contain something called H3O2. Okay, meaning like the fourth phase of water. Okay, we're talking cellular hydration. All right. You might have not heard this before, and I know it can seem crazy and scary and just straight up crazy, but like water is not the best kind of water to have. I'm not saying water is the devil and throw your water out. No. Okay, drink your water, but also be cautious that yes, even your bottled water, like your spring water, you know, your distilled water, right? There's flaws in these kinds of water, okay? But when it comes to fruit, the reason why fruit is amazing is because fruit contains H3O2. We're talking structured water at this point, okay? Meaning it's going to hydrate you on a cellular level way more compared to, let's say, H2O, okay? And yeah, there's a lot of people who talk all about this online. I've known about this for probably 2 years now, 2 or 3 years now. And I'll tell you like this, drink a gallon of water and tell me how you feel one day. Then the very next day, have one watermelon and tell me how you feel after having that watermelon. It will be very different, okay? Reason being is because the fruit water, this cellular hydration, one is hydrating you on a cellular level, but it's also detoxing you and fueling you a lot better compared to H2O, okay? So, and you get the fiber content, okay? So your body will intuitively, like it'll literally tell you like, bro, look, we are hydrated, we're fueled, and we got the electricity, the sugars, we don't need any more. And the fiber too is just going to slow you down, so that way you really don't overconsume, so it's the best thing to consume because naturally it'll keep you in a state of balance and not overconsumption, okay, which is the problem with most Americans today and most people on the planet, because we'll drink a gallon of water and still be thirsty. Like I know several people who go to the gym and literally like work out for a long period of time. And yeah, they may get hydrated, but they're really just flooding their system and they're not absorbing that H2O as well as they think they might, So H3O2, and actually here at the very bottom of this video, I'm going to leave a document all about H3O2. It's a whole book, okay? I want you to read it. I forgot the doctor's name, but the doctor is really, really amazing, okay? Download the link that's down below and read the book, okay? But yeah, H3O2, fruit water, way better. Cellular hydration. You can literally have a quarter of what you would have if it was H2O and be so much more hydrated compared to having a full gallon of water. Okay. So yeah, eat your fruits. The best hydration on the planet. Um, and let me see. Yeah, like it's instant energy, so it's a great pre-workout, right? Post-workout, whichever one you want to do. And also, you don't have to count calories. In general, as a vegan, well, let me take that back because you could also be a vegan and still count calories, and it could be important to a certain degree. But ideally, with fruit, you're eating the best food on the planet. So if you eat just more of what you are biologically designed to eat, then you will be in a state of what's called homeostasis. So you won't have to like count your macros. I mean, you won't have to do all this calorie counting and all of this. You could do that if you want, but it's really, really not necessary. Okay. Like as long as you eat in alignment with what the creator designed for you to eat, then you'll do fine. Period. You know, you'll be mentally better as well and spiritually better. You know, like there's been plenty of times where like my spirit like kind of held me over and like really, really motivated me for a workout. So um yeah, you know, like there's been times where I've been like super, super sore and I just could not go to the gym. So I was just like, I don't want to do this right now. You know, although when it comes to soreness, you really don't have much soreness either on a fruit-based diet. But for those that go hard, like how I have, um, you could get to that level of soreness that can be obtained, right? But yeah, like soreness won't be as big of a problem as you may think, as long as you eat enough, right? As long as you diversify your fruits, and as long as you make sure your fruit is fresh, then you would do fine. Okay, when it comes to getting your micros, your macros in a day, as well as being hydrated um, and fueled for your workout. Okay, so that right there is the benefits of a fruit-based diet for muscle building. Okay, and something I want to say as well is this: the importance of diversification when it comes to eating fruit-based is extremely important. Okay, extremely important. Um, so make sure you diversify because, for example, if you live where I'm at and you have a mamey sapote, right? A mamey sapote is actually really, really rich in calories and fiber, and in copper, you know. So that's great. But like you have that plus watermelon, pineapple, oranges, mangoes, 2 or 3 kiwis with like let's say I don't know a zucchini avocado pasta. Like you're getting a very wide range of minerals and nutrition, micros and macros in the day. So with that being said, that right there is the benefits of a fruit-based diet for muscle building. I hope it helps. Make sure you download the video that's down. I mean, make sure you download the PDF that's down below. And see you guys for lesson number 3.